Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix microphone issues on the Samsung S25 Plus. If people can't hear you during calls, voice recordings don't work, or apps like WhatsApp and Google Assistant don't detect your voice, I'll guide you to the best solutions. First, what you guys need to do is check for physical damage or any obstructions that may be there. So first, what you need to do is locate the microphones on your devices that are on the bottom and on the top, and if they are covered with dirt or some dust or that physical damage is blocking the microphone, make sure to use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean them. Now, you can also try removing the phone case or screen protector if it covers your microphone. If this did not help, make sure to restart the phone because temporary software glitches can cause microphone issues, and a simple restart may fix this. So how to restart your phone? Basically press and hold the power button and now click on restart. Here click on tap again to restart your phone and wait for it to turn off and turn on back again. So as you guys can see, now our phone is restarted, and now you can try and test your microphone. If it still does not work, what you can check is the app permissions, because some apps might not have permission to access the microphone, preventing them from working properly. So how to do that? Basically, go to settings and now head over to apps. After you go to apps, make sure to select the app or try checking all the apps. For example, let's check the camera and now click on permissions. Here, as you guys can see, the not allowed permission is the microphone, and what we need to do is click on it and click on allow only while using the app. And now make sure that it is like that, and there is no like ask every time, because as you guys can see, if you deny these permissions, basic features of your device may no longer function as intended. So keep it on allow only while using the app, and now that's it. If this did not help, what you need to try is disabling the Bluetooth devices that may be connected to your phone, because if your phone is connected to some Bluetooth headsets or the speaker, your microphone might be using that instead of the built-in one. So how to do that? Basically swipe down to quick settings and make sure that the Bluetooth is not turned on. As you guys can see, now it is, and after I click it and it's grayed out, it's not. Now you can test the microphone again, and if it still does not work, go to settings and check for the software updates, because they may fix the microphone issue. So scroll all the way down until you see software update and make sure that you're running on the latest update. Click on download and install and wait until it checks for the update. As you can see, my software is up to date, but yours maybe isn't. So try updating, and if this still did not work, there is one ultimate fix for it by going into general management in the settings and by clicking reset here. Now gotta click reset all settings, click on reset settings, click reset, and now your device will be restarted with the new settings. And that's it. If your Samsung S25's microphone wasn't working, one of these solutions should have helped. Let me know in the comments if you have any other issues, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.